Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello. Today we are in the nature. And we have a nice deer. Hello. 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 How are you? Hello. 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 How are you? Okay. Today we have a nice deer. I saw him in the nature. Oh, how are you? He wants to talk about nature walk. Okay, who likes nature walk? Me. When we walk in the forest like this or at the park, you know what happened to our body? Yes, it makes our body strong and our heart stay very healthy and our brain feel happy. But before we go, we need to pack our backpack. So we what we need for backpack, what is so super important for us to have. Let's think. Who knows? Yes, Alex. Oh, we need backpack. Of course, we need a backpack. Okay, I have a blue backpack. I love the color. What color do you like? Green? Yes. And you, Jack? Oh, you like red backpack. Okay. After backpack, we need another items, important items to have for adventure walk. Okay, walking in the nature. So we need first pack your backpack. Pack your backpack. What we need today for our backpack? Maybe water, hat, and healthy snacks. So let's start. Okay, why we need water bottle? Of course, we need to fill water on the bottle and drink when we are thirsty. Yes, when we drink water, it helps our body to keep going. And yes, why we need hat? Who knows? Jack, tell me. Yes, of course, we need hat to put in our head to protect our head from sun and our face from sun. And when in winter time we put hat to make our head warm. So the next thing we need in the sunny days, who knows that? Yes, we need sunglasses. Sunglasses, everybody pretend to put your sunglasses. Your sunglasses, put your sunglasses. Yes. Now we need another thing in the sunny day. Of course, Alex, we need sun screen to put on our face, our skin, to protect our skin. Now, who knows what is the next thing? Yay! Healthy snack. I bring banana and apple. These are healthy snacks. Who loves apple? Yay! And who loves banana? Yay! Yum, yum. So the next thing we need for the nature is vessel or bell. Yes, too. So we use vessel like this. so people can hear us if we need help, or if we get too far away, or if you see a bear, you can blow on your vessel to stay safe. So of course we go out in the nature uh, with our family, mom and dad, and they protect us. So, but we need these important items, and we need to keep clean our hand. Yes, we sometimes bring soap to wash our hand, or bring a hand wipe with us to clean our hands from the germ before we eating our healthy snack. Good job everyone. Now we need to put all the items and practice. What is that? Yes, water bottle. What is this? Our healthy snacks. And what is this? Sunscreen and wipe and sunglasses. And what is that? My hat. And sometimes I I put plastic gloves in my bag when I have a garbage or I see a garbage. I clean the nature. I have my gloves. I grab the garbage and put in the garbage bin or a plastic bag and bring to the city and put in the garbage bin. So let's let's all pack, and my vessel is in my neck. So let's put on your backpack and go to the nature for nature walk. Yay! And this is a very healthy work, to go to the nature and walk and have an adventure day. So the deer wants to say goodbye. Wave your hand, everybody. He wants to say goodbye. Goodbye, 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 my friend. Goodbye, goodbye, my friend. Thank you for have this activity with me. Goodbye.